Apply to college basically by, first of all, deciding exactly what school you're looking to apply to. And then once you've decided on a particular institution, the best way to figure out what the requirements are for application is to go on their website. You can just Google them if you don't know what their website is, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on their websites, there should be a tab called admissions or apply. You can click there, and usually they have a page that literally says how to apply or admission requirements, and it'll lay out all the steps there. I don't want to give a general answer because different universities are probably going to have different requirements for applications, but very roughly, many schools are on a application called the Common App, which is like one application that you can fill out and send to a bunch of different universities. Not every university is on the Common App, only some of them are, but a lot of them are. And the requirements may still differ, but usually the application elements will involve essays, an interview perhaps, letters of recommendations, and actually filling out an application.